guys, what's up? This is Hi Brothers, and today is an unboxing video. As you can see, I'm going to be unboxing my new board game called Scotlandyard. And guys, be sure to hit the like button for more videos like this. And if you want me to send a tutorial, then hit the like button. If it gets 10 likes, tutorial is coming right up. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. So, at the starting, it's written Scotlandyard, a compelling detective game, Europe's award-winning game. So, it better be good.
Fun School.
Fun School is a good brand.
And the players is on 3 to 6 and 10 plus.
Yes.
So, guys, I'm dead.
Bye. It's rated 10 plus. You just went to city. Okay. So, it's age.
Guys, I'm back. What was the number of the age group?
10 plus.
I'm going.
Okay. So 3 to 6 players can play this game. So it's pretty easy. Let's open it now. Oh, it's very satisfying. Wait, there's a board in here. And there's a dice. I wonder what the dice is for. Okay, let's put it aside for a moment. Yeet! Oh. Okay, so first, there's a board. Let's open it. Oh, it's a compatible board. It's a folding board. Wait, it is massive. How big is this? Wow. Wait, it's torn. Guys, don't buy it from one school. It's not that good. Wait, good, nice. This is Scotlandyard. Wait, there are so many numbers written here. There's 1, 2. I think these are like plot numbers. I think the max number is 200. And 200 is right over. Where's 200? 200, come out. I need to find you. I'm making a video. Here's 200. Okay. And also come with, what is this? Oh, this is the rule book. Things coming out of the rule book. Yeah. Okay, these are taxi. Okay, guys. Let me read the rule book. It's the C. Let me read this and then I will tell you how to get started. Okay. So guys, I have read the rule book. It was not that long. So to play it, actually 6 people or 3 people can play it. It's not like if there are 3 people, there should be only 3 people. These are the players. Yeah. These are the players. Thanks. But this one is Mr. X. Mr. X is robbing everything and these 5 detectives will catch Mr. X. And I'll tell you how the opponent works, like how to win it and like that. And I'm gonna explain you all in detail in the next episode. So stay tuned, hit the like button for more. So there are 5 players. If there are only 3 players playing, like if there's I, my brother and my friend Akash, then everybody should take like 2 or 3, and the Mr. X should have only 1 because Mr. X is hiding and these 5 detectives should catch them. So like if Akash is sitting there, my brother is sitting here, so my Akash is going to get 2, someone is going to get 2 and my brother is going to get 3. It divides like that. You need to give it not equally, but all the players should have minimum 1, and there should be no, what are these called, objects on the board. So all the objects should be occupied, and that's the objects. Now next part, the taxi. Wait, taxi is yellow color. Wait. Yeah, taxi is this yellow color thing. wherever there is something yellow color at the bottom, like if there is a yellow color over there, as you can see there are so many yellow colors over there. If there are yellow colors, then there wherever there is yellow color means there can be a taxi. But if there is no yellow color, there will be no taxi. But everywhere there is yellow, so there will be everywhere taxi. So that's good. And there is a book here. I think the Easter eggs writes there moves on this that the detectives would say. Oh yes, this goes about this like this. Oh, wait, there are 2x things like the black ticket. Oh, this goes here. 2x plus black ticket equals black 2x ticket. That doesn't make sense. Okay guys, but that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. We should hit the like button for more